Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the check engine light pattern and preparing tools. Turn the key to on and watch the LED blink to capture the error memory. This shows stored fault codes. If you have an OBD or Honda-compatible scanner, connect it to read codes. This tells you what to fix. If no scanner, you can remove battery negative for 1 to 2 minutes to clear transient codes, but know this won't fix underlying faults. Once done, move to targeted diagnosis. You now interpret the codes and perform focus checks. Plug in the scanner, write down code ID, and cross-reference to cause. Visually inspect ignition, spark plug, fuel lines, air filter, and electrical connectors. Loose grounds and corroded pins are common causes. Test suspect sensors with a multimeter or swap known good parts where possible. Replace oxygen, map, or throttle position sensors if out of spec. Make repairs, then tighten connector. You finish by clearing codes and confirming the issue is fixed. Use your scanner's clear function or reconnect the battery to erase the light, then start the engine and run it through varied throttle and loads for 10 to 15 minutes so the ECU can rerun diagnostics. Make sure to rescan after the ride. If the check engine light comes back, the same code will reappear and guide further repair. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent CEL persists, inspect wiring harnesses near the head and belly pan for chafing under vibration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.